Items needed for this project: towels, pre-stain, stain, sealer, sandpaper, and brushes. First, you will lightly sand your table. You want to remove any bumps, nicks, chips. After you're done sanding, wipe clean to remove all of the dust. Now apply your pre-stain. This is also known as conditioner. Get a nice even coat over the entire area that you will be applying the stain. Don't forget the edges. Once applied, you'll want to wait 10 to 15 minutes for it to soak into the wood. After 10 or 15 minutes, go ahead and wipe the excess conditioner. Now you will apply your stain. You want to apply it nice and evenly, and you will do this in sections. Once you're done with one section, you'll want to wipe off the excess stain. For this, I'm just using some paper towels. Once you've removed the excess stain from one section, you can then continue to the next section. Again, remove the excess stain with a paper towel. Wiping back and forth, going with the grain of the wood. You'll want to continue using your paper towels to wipe the excess stain until you have a nice even coat. Continue in sections until you've completely stained the entire table. Then go over the entire surface, making sure to go with the grain of the wood to ensure that you have a nice even coat and there's no standing stain or puddles or drips. Continue around the edges. Wipe clean. Now you will let it dry for 24 hours. The next day you can apply the sealer. It goes on thick and looks white, however it will dry clear. Apply a nice even coat, doing this in sections. If you have kids or a toddler like me, go ahead and put them to work. If the kids put the sealer on unevenly, don't worry, you can go back over it in a minute after they're done. Apply the sealer over the entire table, taking breaks to assist your helper. Once finished, go around the edges, complete the entire surface of the table, and go back and forth, smoothing it out in the direction of the grain of the wood. Go around and get the edges. Here you want to make sure that there are no drips or puddles. After it dries for 4 hours, you'll want to go back over it and sand it. You'll see that it's a little bit rough after the first coat. This is the only time you'll need to sand. Once the second coat goes on, it's very smooth after that. Wipe it clean to remove any of the dust. Go ahead and apply your second coat. Using the same method that you did the first time, a nice even layer, brushing back and forth with the grain of the wood. And this is our final product here, the tabletop, after 3 coats of sealer. And that's it. It was that easy.